The salad that combines juicy peaches, creamy burrata, and savory prosciutto. Toss that together with some pecans and sweet maple balsamic vinaigrette, and you have a dish that is elegant enough for entertaining and easy enough to pull together for a weeknight dinner. Chef and recipe creator, our good friend Tami Steggell, joining me in the kitchen to share this salad assembly that pairs perfectly with your peaches. It is that time. We're all like tapping our toes to get our hands and get the peaches in our kitchen.
Peach season is my favorite time of year. I have a thing with peaches. I just love them. And you're from Brigham City, right?
I am.
So that makes you...
It's in my DNA.
Yeah. An official peach girl. So this is a late summer, early fall salad that is perfect for this time of year.
A bed of spinach.
And what we're going to do, a bed of spinach. This could be a bed of arugula also. And we'll take this creamy burrata and we'll open it and tear it and just kind of place it.
And that's not a go-to ingredient for a lot of people. So you do tear it open, you kind of let the creamy part.
Yeah, this is a creamy Italian cheese.
Yeah.
And you can also do a bufala, which is, this is cow's milk, bufala is buffalo milk.
Okay.
So, and then we're gonna place our peaches on
here. You just need
here.
enough burrata for everybody to have their own little scoop. Yeah.
This serves four as a side, or two people as a larger side, or one person as a giant mini meal.
And you're not skinning the peaches.
I'm not. I don't. The skin doesn't bother me, and I'm kind of here and there on skinning peaches. So there we go. We've got our peaches.
Yes.
And then we're going to take some prosciutto, which is a cured ham.
Right.
And it cures for 12 months, and it's slightly salty, but it's delicate and tender.
I didn't know it cured for 12 months.
Yeah. I actually just came back from Italy.
Oh.
So that my inspiration is summer peaches and Italy.
And Italy.
And I went to a curing facility, and it's just amazing. The way that they love their animals, and the way that they love the art of everything that they do.
And love their food.
And so I thought, you know, I have to just bring a little Italy into this segment.
We're so glad you did. Okay, so rolls of prosciutto.
Yep.
How have you treated the pecans?
So the pecans are just really warmed up in a pan with a dash of salt and then a dash of maple syrup.
So and kind of caramelize them with the syrup.
It's really fast. So this salad comes together in 15 minutes.
Yes.
It's just, the longest part is doing the maple pecans.
Can I start on dressing?
And actually, I have some dressing already made right here.
Oh, okay, so no need. What's in it?
And so on this dressing, we have a dark balsamic vinegar, a little bit of maple syrup, some lemon juice. That is Dijon mustard.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, salt and olive oil. And then you just give that a little whisk.
Yes, ma'am.
And that goes here.
May I drizzle?
On this beautiful salad.
Look at this. Wow. Wow,
and
Tami.
This is just so luxurious, but it's so simple. Not even hard at all.
It feels fancy, looks fancy, but you're right, as we just proved, comes together so quickly.
And the maple really is kind of the twist on it.
The maple on the pecans. Yes. Well, proof that with good flavors, fresh food, you don't need to do much.
Right.
You have taught us to do so much, though, with our food over the years, sister. Thank you so much. How can we get this recipe?
You can go to bitemeindustries.com, and this will also show up on Studio 5 KSL website.
I love you, Tami. Thank you so much. Celebrating with peaches. No better, no better.